today we're going to be working on the Porsche Boxster. Let me show you the parts I got. We're going to finish this whole corner. We're going to start off by taking the top hat out of this. Please, before we start this, please like, subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Alright, so we got some subframe pieces over here. We got a new strut, a complete strut. A full knuckle, control arms, bunch of hardware, and we're ready to go. First thing we're gonna do is do the top hat, and then we're gonna start with installing the axle. First step, open the trunk, and it's right here. There's a plastic cover you just remove, pull out the carpet, and there's 3 13mm screws. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this new shock from underneath. This way I could lift the car up, and the rest of the job is from underneath. Hand tighten it. And over here, we can start putting everything back together. That's it from the top. Now it's time to install the axle. I like to put it in now because it's a lot easier to get to all the Allen key bolts, and because you can move the axle whichever way you need to. You know, shoot it in with the impact gun. Done. On to the next. Next, you put in the 2 lower control arms. They both have cam bolts on them, so make sure the washers are facing the same direction. Put them in, Put them in tight and snug, but not too tight because they're going to be reopened to do the alignment. These are the bolts that adjust toe, rear toe, and camber for this wheel. Another reason why you don't torque them down is because you don't want to rip the bushings. You tighten down the control arms only when the suspension is compressed. If the wheel is up in the air and you tighten it, you're gonna have pressure on the bushings. After that, you're ready to slide the spindle into the shock and then the axle. After you put it in, slide the axle in, you get to tighten the axle bolt, impact gun, grease it up, shoot it in, done. Next is lower control arm bolt, the ball joint, and then you go to the rear one. Make them nice and snug. These you could tighten all the way down because those are ball joints. And then you do the lateral link, and that's it. You're pretty much done. You finish putting the calipers, the rotor calipers, bleed the brakes, and that's it for that. I had to change a few subframe parts because some of them got damaged. Not too bad, but it's nice that these new subframe parts went in effortlessly. That only proves to me that the body or chassis didn't even get harmed in the accident. Put the lateral bars as well, torque them down, and done.
Thanks for watching our dad's video. So don't forget to hit the notification and please subscribe for more daily awesome future videos. And if you have a question, you could comment down below. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified to the next video that comes out.
And please like the video.
And don't forget,
if you ain't got us, you ain't poppin'.